Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the TopSpin software tutorial. In this video, we will be working on a new type of NMR, a 2D NMR, specifically the COSY NMR. COSY is a fundamental two-dimensional NMR technique that is used to determine the connectivity between protons within a molecule. When you open your COSY in the TopSpin software, at first it is going to look like a static, grainy visual effect that used to appear back in the days when a TV is not receiving a signal. This can be fixed quickly by scrolling your mouse wheel down a few times until you can start to see the individual plots and they become much more clearer. When you scroll the mouse wheel over the 2D COSY NMR in TopSpin, you're adjusting the contour levels. Imagine you're taking an airplane in the mountains. Higher contours show only the tallest peaks, while lower contours reveal more detail close to the ground. And in the case of NMR, such as this one, it includes weaker signals and possibly noise, as you can see over here. You can see the diagonal peaks which result from same proton correlation. These peaks are not important as they show up on every 2D COSY spectrum. What you need to pay attention to is the off-diagonal peaks or cross peaks, which come from coupled protons. These peaks tell you the structural connection between these protons. Now, the only thing that is yet to be fixed are the proton NMRs, the 1D proton NMRs, on the x-axis and the y-axis of this NMR, as you can see over here.
You might notice that the default projections on the x and y axis don't look very sharp. That's because they are generated directly from the 2D data. To improve this and to make COSY interpretation easy, we can project externally a fully processed 1D proton spectrum onto each axis of the 2D COSY plot.
In order to fix them, you can simply go to each of them, right-click, and click on External Projection. Once you click on that, hit Browse, and now in the File Explorer, select the 1D proton NMR of your compound.
Which was previously acquired and fully processed.
Once you have selected it and press Display, now as you can see over here in my x-axis, the 1D NMR has become much more sharper and clearer. I'm going to repeat the same process on the y-axis by clicking on the right mouse button, clicking on External Projection, hitting Browse, and selecting the 1D proton NMR of my compound and clicking on Display. There you go. Now, both the x-axis and the y-axis 1D NMRs have been fixed, and your COSY NMR is ready to use. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, I will be showing you how you can use the camera software to label the individual peaks on the x and y axis of a COSY NMR, as well as the plots within the NMR.